Hello everyone. Let's see how to detect the execution tactic of the MITRE ATT&CK framework in Log360. In the MITRE ATT&CK framework, the execution tactic refers to the adversary's efforts to run malicious code on a local or remote system. This tactic involves techniques that result in adversary-controlled code execution, which can be used to achieve broader goals such as exploring a network, stealing data, or manipulating system functions. Execution is a critical step in an attack as it allows adversaries to perform various actions on compromised systems. Here are some objectives of the execution attack. Run malicious code. The main objective is to execute code that can help in achieving the adversary's goals. This could include scripts, binaries, or other types of executable files. To establish persistence. By executing code, adversaries can establish a foothold on the system that allows them to remain there over time, even after system reboots or updates. To move laterally. Successful execution of code can help adversaries navigate from initially compromised systems to other systems within the network, thereby expanding their control. To exfiltrate data. Executed code can be used to gather and transmit sensitive data from the compromised system back to the adversary's infrastructure. To disrupt operations. Adversaries can disrupt or manipulate normal operations of the system to cause damage such as deleting files, stopping services, or modifying data. To escalate privileges. By executing specific code, adversaries can attempt to gain higher level permissions on the system, which can provide broader control and access. Here are some common execution techniques. Adversaries leverage several techniques to execute malicious code, including scheduled tasks or jobs, to automate execution at specific times, command and scripting interpreters to run commands or scripts, and Windows management instrumentation for remote execution. They may also exploit system services to maintain persistence with elevated privileges and use native API calls to bypass security controls. Inter-process communication mechanisms are exploited to execute code between processes. Exploitation for client execution targets vulnerabilities in client applications, often via phishing or malicious websites. User execution involves tricking users into running harmful code through social engineering tactics like phishing emails. Each technique enhances their ability to control and manipulate targeted systems. Let's look at how to detect various execution techniques with Log360. Once you log into the solution, navigate to the SIM module or the Event Log Analyzer module and select the Reports category at the top menu. This opens up all predefined reports offered by Log360. Navigate to the MITRE ATT&CK category at the top and select Execution from the drop-down. The left menu presents a series of reports on common techniques attackers carry out to execute code on the network. The techniques are further divided into common sub-techniques attackers use to achieve their goals. As you can see, the command and scripting interpreter technique presents common sub-techniques that are used by attackers to execute malicious code on the network. If you clicked on a particular report, you can view crucial information related to an incident where an attacker tried executing malicious codes. As you can see in the report that shows remote PowerShell sessions, the message column gives important details on the incident, which indicates that a Python process running on the machine made an inbound network connection to itself. You can also view the associated port numbers and process ID. You can also see reports of other sub-techniques. Like this report under Windows Management Instrumentation, in this incident, you can see the administrator account on the system created a new PowerShell process. The process was launched with elevated permissions and had a high integrity level. This process was spawned by another WMI system process. Similarly, multiple other reports on various techniques and sub-techniques related to the execution tactic. The Malicious Service Installations report presents information on the service that was installed on the network and the user's processes and command lines associated with it. If you notice the presence of execution techniques being carried out in the network, here are some next steps to take. Leverage Log360 SOAR capabilities to immediately isolate affected systems to prevent further spread of the malicious code. Disconnect compromised devices from the network if necessary. Identify and remove malicious code, tools, or backdoors used by the attackers. This may involve deleting malicious files, terminating unauthorized processes, and patching vulnerabilities. Restore affected systems from clean backups, ensuring that no traces of the malicious code remain. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries, you can send us an email at log360-support@manageengine.com. You can also download a free version of our solution at the link provided. At no cost and zero risk, you can try Log360 in your environment for 30 days.